NPP MLA Santa Mary Sheila, who is the first female MLA from Jayanta Hills since the creation of Meghalaya, has asked the MDA government to allow her to be part of the Women Empowerment Committee, as working for the women empowerment will be her key focus. Sheila, who contested from Sutanga Saipung constituency in East Jayanta Hills, defeated State Congress President and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala.
There are still a lot of women that are illiterate, and now slowly women are standing up and they are, applying for jobs everywhere. So I would definitely take up all those issues, especially since the government is now with us. So I'm in the government at present. So I would definitely love to make more of the women empowerment in my constituency, and then the women should come up with whatever talents they have in their lives.
In the 95th